Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to foreclose Paytm loan. If you have taken any loan through Paytm, if you would like to close Paytm loan, yes, you can do it. So here I open Paytm in my phone. And here my loan is available. I just click here, go to your loan page. It is loading. As of now, I have paid this much amount and only 7 EMI left. Suppose if you would like to close your Paytm loan at intermediate level, that is in between your EMI tenure, if you would like to close, yes, you can close. What you have to do, click on the close button here. Click on close button, and here balance remaining will be shown. This is the balance remaining loan amount 73,000, and foreclosure charges apply. Here foreclosure charges, they are putting this much amount, and accrued interest up to today date interest is showing. So final amount is this much, and click here and you can pay your loan. Okay, prepay and avail loan outside Paytm, and all other reasons are available here. Please let us know why you want to close the loan. They are asking why you are closing. Okay, so you can choose anyone here and just click on proceed to pay, and it will go to the your banking account via through ICA, UPI payment, or any other payment mode like net banking, debit cards, etc. Okay, so if you would like to close, click on pay securely, select your mode of payment and click on pay securely, so that you can make the payment. But keep in mind that there will be closing foreclosure charges. Okay, so if you would like to really close the loan amount that you have taken through Paytm, use this option. Okay, go to the your loan page and then go to close loan button and you can close. Okay, that's all friends. I haven't closed my loan. Okay, for demo purpose, just I gone through these steps, and you can use it if you if you really would like to close the loan. Otherwise, just leave it. Okay, that's all friends. Bye.